Good morning children, welcome to my channel Brightheadkids. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for new updates. Kids, today's video is all about air. Can you guess where is air? Kids, air is everywhere. It is all around us. It is essential for the life of all living things. Human beings, animals, plants need air to live. We cannot see air but can feel it. Air is essential for life on the earth. Air is all around us, but it is difficult to feel its presence because we cannot see, taste or touch it. In this video, I will teach you properties of air with the help of few hands-on experiments. All living things need air. Animals, planets would die without it. Air also holds aeroplanes and kites above the ground, and it is used to inflate tires and balloons. Air surrounds Earth as the atmosphere. What is air? Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Kids, can we see air? We cannot see fresh air, but we can feel it. Fresh air is invisible to eyes and does not have any smell. We can only feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Wind that moves slow is called breeze, and wind that moves fast with force is called storm. So let's understand the properties of air with the help of hands-on experiments. The first one is air occupies space. Let's take a balloon and blow it. What happens when you blow a balloon? Yes, it expands. This proves that air occupies space, and it is also the same with swimming tubes, tires of cars, bikes and bicycles. Their tire needs air to maintain their shape. More the air, more is the size of the balloon. Second property is air has weight. And here is a simple way to prove it. So let's take a meter-long stick and tie two blown-up balloons of the same size to both ends of the stick. Make it balanced by adjusting the position of balloon. Now take a sharp-edged object and make a slit in one of the balloons. Now we can observe the stick leaning towards the balloon which has air in it. This is because when we make a hole in the balloon, air in it will be thrown out of it. That makes it weigh less than the other balloon. Thus we can conclude that air has weight. And the third property is air is needed for burning. Take a candle and place it on the table. Light up the candle and cover it with a tumbler. You will observe the candle stops burning after some time. This is because air is necessary for fire to burn. Air pollution. Air pollution is when unwanted chemicals, gases, smoke, particles enter into air, causes air to become impure. This process is called air pollution. Air pollution causes many diseases in humans. Thus, keeping air clean is everyone's duty for the environment. As students, make the habit of keeping environment clean to live a healthy life. So there are many causes of air pollution. So first look at the natural causes of air pollution. Some sources of air pollution come from the nature. These include eruption of volcanoes, dust storms, and forest fires. Human causes of air pollution. Human activity is a major cause of air pollution, especially in large cities. Human air pollution is caused by things such as factories, power plants, cars, aeroplanes, chemicals, fumes from the spray cans, and methane gas from landfills. So let's solve some question to understand how much we have understood from the topic. So the first question is, moving air is called wind. Second question is, all living organisms need air to dash. And the answer is breathe. Third one is, wind energy is used to produce dash. And the answer is electricity. Birds need dash to fly. And the answer is air or wind. Presence of dash and dash in the air is called air pollution. And the answer is dust and smoke. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe and share the video if you like it.